Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
Yep.
Have you heard IBM Tivoli?
Yeah, IBM Tivoli, yeah. Go for
ForgeRock?
yes.
Have you heard ForgeRock?
Yes.
Does CyberArk has any IAM solution, IAM tools?
RSA, governance and lifecycle.
Come again, RSA?
LNC, GNC, governance and lifecycle.
Okay, guys, we are talking about identity and access management. So identity management, it's fine, but the same tool should have access management features as well, right? But I'm not sure in this RSA. Let me, RSA, what is the tool name?
RSL, governance and lifecycle, G and L.
Okay, governance and lifecycle. Okay, because I'm not familiar with this tool, RSA. Okay, and IBM Tivoli, ForgeRock, Sun IDM. Yeah, I was asking, right? So does CyberArk has any IAM tool? Anyone?
Is Okta IAM tool?
Yes, exactly. I forgot. Okta. Okta is the IAM. Okay, I have a question. So when we have these much tools in the market, why clients are preferring to implement Sailpoint? They could have gone for Savient, they could have implemented OAM, FIM, or ForgeRock, Okta. But most of the clients are preferring to implement Sailpoint in the last 5 years, which means Sailpoint has some feature which other tools doesn't have. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll talk about this advanced feature. If anyone is on the real-time project, can you let me know? You are into real-time project and you are working for Sailpoint already. Do we have anyone?
We are using Sailpoint in our organization.
Okay.
Application access, entitlement creation, everything will be done using Sailpoint.
Okay, guys. Now you got a clear idea. Sailpoint is the IAM tool, identity management tool. So it will help all the organization so that they can manage the employee permission, employee data. They can manage the digital identity so that we can track everything. They can manage all the information security data and all the compliance, governance, everything on a single portal, on a unified portal. That's very important. You can track everything. If you're going to implement this one OIM or PAM, let's talk about PAM. You cannot do a lot of things like certification. You cannot run a certification. You have to rely on some other third-party vendor, third-party tool. So if you're going to implement rather than Sailpoint, you have a lot of features won't be available. You have to rely on some third party. So that's why most of the clients are preferring to implement Sailpoint. So that it's like a unified portal, we can do everything. Okay. So this Sailpoint platform allows the companies to monitor policy violations. I didn't talk about that. So the moment you are going to implement policies, we can track, we can monitor all the policy violation and all the malicious activities. Okay. And we can easily identify all the sensitive information with the help of Sailpoint. Okay. And along with that, Sailpoint has some advanced features like artificial intelligence technology and machine learning. Okay. So if you're going to implement these two features, so every company, they can automate the access management workflow. They can automate the access management workflow. They can define the user roles very effectively. They can analyze the risk, and if there is any changes required, they can implement that changes across all the process. Okay. And Sailpoint provides the features like threat detection, data classification. So a lot of automated suggestion, not only provisioning, not only certification. You can automate a lot of process. Okay, it's like a centralized dashboard. Okay, Sailpoint is a centralized dashboard, so where you can view all the resource information. You'll come to know if any activity is pending from your end, you will take an action on that. Okay, and apart from that,
Hey, you said threat detection using Sailpoint?
yes.
Okay, what does that mean?
So if any threat is going to happen to the sources, so we can prevent them. So Sailpoint will detect those threats.
What kind of threat and how it will detect? Is there
Okay.
any
So
example?
let's take an example. You are a developer. Okay. As per the project SOP company policies, so developers should not get access to the production environment due to XYZ reason, whatever reason it may be. Developers should not get production environment access. Okay. But you are trying to get this access intentionally. You have submitted access request and your manager approves that by mistake. You got a production environment access, which means you can create a danger to the production environment. So most of the project developer won't get the developer environment as a production environment access. They are allowed to have access on the dev environment. So how we are going to prevent this? How we are going to manage this? We should prevent, right?
Okay.
So that's where we can implement some policies saying developers should not get access to this production environment, blah, blah, blah. We can implement these changes. I mean, we can implement this.
So in that case, if the access will automatically be dropped the moment they see that the developer is trying to get the access?
It depends. So we have a lot of way. We should not allow the developer should get the production environment access. The moment he is trying to submit access request, then and there we can prevent. We should not allow the end user to submit access request. This could be one way. Second way, if you are going to allow accidentally, yeah, we can revoke the access immediately with the help of certification process. Or we can notify the user's manager saying he has this unauthorized access. Please take action on that. Something like that. We have a lot of ways.
Also, admin will get these alert, and it will be the admin will be letting the manager know.
So it depends how you have configured. It could be users manager, it could be administrators. It depends, or it could be policy violation owner. Okay. Because policy owner will be there, right? They are responsible for these kind of violations in Sailpoint, so they can take some action on this.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So these are the advantages. So along with, yeah, are we clear, guys? Sorry. Again, today we are going to talk about all the IAM concepts. Already we talked about that, and fundamentals and Sailpoint advantages. So from tomorrow onwards, we can start the real-time chapters like software, hardware requirements, installation, everything. Okay. So now, yeah, so these are the advantages we have in Sailpoint. Along with that, Sailpoint will support a lot of different type of application onboarding. Application onboarding means Sailpoint will support the integration with various third-party application. As I said, Workday is one of the HR application, right? So if you want to onboard that Workday application, we can easily onboard the Workday application. We can create the communication between Workday and Sailpoint so that Sailpoint will aggregate or consume or pull the user data from Workday application on a daily basis. So that Sailpoint will come to know, okay, these many employees joined today. These many employees left the company today. Okay, these many employee moves from this department to another department. So these activities will be captured by Sailpoint via aggregation. Aggregation is nothing, it's like a synchronization. Sailpoint will consume the data from Workday application. To do that, you have to onboard this application first in Sailpoint. So that's why I said Sailpoint will support a lot of application onboarding, different type of application onboarding, because we may have some third-party applications like Workday, Box, ServiceNow, Splunk, SAP applications, and a lot more applications we have. So if you want to onboard, we can easily onboard these applications because we have out-of-the-box connector, which is already ready. If we may have some couple of applications for connectors won't be available. In that scenario, we have to build custom connector. Okay. And when it comes to price, so how much they are going to charge, there is no much transparency. It's a conversation between the client and the Sailpoint team. Okay. So I don't have clear idea. I have heard.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.